In this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. Intro. First things first, go ahead and check the bottom right corner of your taskbar, and you're going to see the small little arrow icon right here. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to show all these hidden icons just like so. What you're looking for on here is the Bluetooth icon. If you don't see it, it's going to be turned off, and to turn it on, you just need to hit the search bar and type in Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth devices and other settings, and up at the very top, you're going to see Bluetooth. Go ahead and tick it on, and then it's going to be enabled. To connect to something, just hit add device, and then from here it's going to start searching. Select Bluetooth and then find your Bluetooth device on here, select it, follow any prompt that specific device might require, and just like that, you now have Bluetooth turned on and ready to use in Windows 11. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.